In this video, we're going to be running through the content and resources available to learners on the Pearson Online English Premium subscription. This is one of the best, most respected international online English courses available, and trusted by governments, professionals, and academic institutions globally. Once you have purchased and set up your premium subscription, you'll be taken to this login page. Here, you can choose the level of English that reflects your current skill. Then, you can select the language that you would like your commands to appear in throughout the duration of your studies. Once you have selected these, you're ready to begin your learning. First, we'll start in the Catalogue section. This area outlines all the different special units you can access. There are different levels of conversational English available so that you can fully immerse yourself into the English language at your own pace. There are units for sectors such as marketing, law, medicine, and engineering, all of which contain vocabulary banks to make you proficient in the areas that matter most to you. All the major industries and professions have a designated English course, which you can find here. This, for example, is the Introduction to Dentistry course, which will give you access to 27 lessons. Here, you can also find preparation for the IELTS and TOEFL assessments, which are super important for all those seeking visas to English-speaking countries, especially to live and to study. You can even prepare for your US citizenship test. Moving on to the Personalized Units section. Here, you can access units in the fields that interest and engage your passions. This is the perfect way to improve your English as well as your cultural immersion. This area includes units of dating and relationships, health and food, and even teen English, and many, many more. Each unit contains reading comprehension questions that get you thinking in English. There are also fill-in-the-blank tests and unscramble the word exercises. After completing each unit, you will be scored on the areas of reading, writing, and listening, which will help you recognize your strengths and weaknesses as you learn. At any time through the duration of your studies, you can have up to 3 units running. This ensures that you're absorbing information as much as you can before moving on to a different unit. In the Real Media section, you'll have access to an endless amount of real-life media stories that are updated daily. These articles, for example, were only updated an hour ago. You can also, here, alter your level of English as well as the type of media you'd like to access. This is the perfect way to keep yourself engaged whilst learning and gather information about global news as well as issues in English-speaking countries. So, this has been the Catalogue section in the Pearson Online English Premium subscription. In the next video, we're going to explore the Practice section, which focuses on improving your grammar and vocabulary.